Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Tonight, I've actually got a little bit of a Father's Day gift going on. And we're going to be turning this blank, and it's a piece of extreme curly maple. Let me see if I can find my alcohol. I'm using alcohol because if you use water, it raises the grain and it absorbs. It takes a lot longer to dry. Let me get this soaked with your alcohol real quick. Let me get it soaked where we can see it. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Well, now that it's drying out, join me as we turn this pin and get it assembled tonight. We're putting it on a PSI bolt action gunmetal kit, and join me as we get this ready to go. I went ahead and done 2 pins tonight out of the same blank, and I put an engraving of their initials on them. However, just check out the blank itself. Look at the figuring in that maple. It's just beautiful. The camera can't really capture it right now because of the way the lighting. Look, yeah, there it is right there. Just beautiful, and the engraving stands out beautifully on this one as well. Let's see if I can get that grain. Yeah, just a little bit of that. And the maple goes very well with the gunmetal. Let's see if we can get it on here. I'll post a picture of it. Just see if we can get it to show up a little better. I want to thank you for joining me this evening. It's a little late. It's almost 12 o'clock midnight here. So I'm going to shut this down and we'll catch some sleep before we have to drive tomorrow. Y'all have a good evening, and come back and join and subscribe to the channel.